Hello, I'm Andrew Comstock, and in our previous two videos, we discussed how to budget for private school and how to use your 529 to pay for private school, kind of focusing on that K through 12 education. Today, we're going to talk about should you be using your 529 to pay for K through 12 education. So should you? The answer really depends on where you are on reaching your children's financial goals for college. So remember, there's two primary benefits of a 529, the tax deferred growth that you get over time, and then the state income tax deduction. So it really comes down to this, is if you are overfunded in terms of reaching your college savings goals for your children, then you can look at maybe potentially pulling some of the account value or the principal from the account to pay for K through 12 education, but you've got to run through the scenarios to make sure that it's not going to mess up that long-term goal of paying for college. Now, if you're not quite on a good road to saving for college for your kids, you're underfunded, or you're just doing what you have to do, and you're on a good path, then you're probably looking at a different scenario, and that is state income tax optimization. And so at that point is what you're looking to do is contribute the maximum amount to your 529 plan to get that in-state tax deduction. Both Kansas and Missouri have that, but not all states have that state income tax deduction. So what are we talking about there? So if, let's say that you're contributing $5,000 per year to reach your kids' college savings goals. In Kansas, the maximum benefit for a couple is $6,000 per year. So what you would do is essentially put that extra $1,000 in per year, and then you'd pull $1,000 out of your 529 in order to route that towards their K through 12 education. Now, that's probably the most likely scenario for most of our clients that we experience is they're looking to, essentially take that extra amount in the difference between what they're saving long-term for college and apply that towards their K through 12 education. So should you be using your 529? The answer is probably yes, but not necessarily, just taking it all out of the existing account balance. It's probably going to be adding money to the account in order to maximize the state income tax deduction and then taking it right back out in order to, pay for K through 12 education. So if you've got a question on this or any other financial planning topic, please feel free to reach out to me. It's great to hear from you.